Depends what kind of wire it is. Ooh, that's copper wire. Huh? Yeah, that's my guess. I'm just gonna look around real quick. Chicken wire. Oh, sorry. No, I'm just picking some shit off the top. Yeah. A little piece of brass. What we got? Yep. It's looking like it. Ooh, art, John. Art. Rug. Rug. Oh, alright. I think it actually is brass, though. Huh. Alright. Oh, it's heavy. Yeah, pull up a few inches. You're good. Yeah, I think that is actual brass. Oh, you got a new bookshelf, another bookshelf. That's it. Let's see. Bed frame. Not much metal. Two little dressers. Nothing. Should I throw it in, you think? Parts metal. That's oh, yep. Light ballasts. As I proceed to make lots of noise. Cork? Yeah, those are cork boards.
They were using them for all the pins.
Yeah, that's a nice one. You should take that for your office. It's a nice clean one.
Or maybe that one. Poster.
Shit, but these things are expensive at
Grab them all.
Nah, just grab one. I'd say grab the one behind that one. That one's the nicest. Looks very clean.
Floor.
I'll bury that shit in there. It's looking like all the metal. What do we got in here? Just recycling. There's some scrap.
That's a nice poster.
Oh my God, what is it of?
Oh, it's wallpaper.
Nah, just chuck that. It's not shit.
That's cool. I like when they do that.
Yeah. I got a little wire. That's, oh, there's a little piece under there or something. Just wood. Yep, that's it. Yeah, that cork board's a great find though. Shit.
I have.
Alright.
Yeah, how many are you gonna keep?
Metal heater. Yeah, throw it in.
Might work.
Alright. Something. So we got a rack. Power cord. If it's very light, yeah, skip it. This is good.
Yeah, that's like $80. Oh, that's half of one though.
Yeah, they don't have the locks on it, but this power cord's good. It's a metal chair. Yeah, alright. You want to go for the BBQ?
I don't know, it's kind of loud.
Let's try it. We'll see.
It's huge though, and you're only gonna get how much?
$5.
Yeah, can you help me with this?
Yeah.
This is not cooperating.
You want to just leave this one or no?
Or
Here, pull these things
I
out.
don't think it's working.
You don't think so?
Nah. It's gonna make a shitload of noise. It's gonna take up all our space.
Yeah, we got to fit all that other stuff, but we'll be able to fit it.
It's very light. It only weighs like 30 pounds.
Yeah, let's just throw it in. Why not?
See what I mean? Now it's falling apart on us. It's getting late.
All right, you want to skip it?
Yeah, it's 11:30.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's aluminum too. That's nice. Oh, and this is all tent poles. Just throw a whole bag in there,
Grab one side, grab the other.
zipping it up. You grab that hand, grab this hand. I'll grab this one.
Give it, you can't throw it then.
That's a decent one. There's a few little dinkers. Not much. How you doing? Yeah, it's not much, but something. Got some cord in here too. Nice. Yeah, pump with thick copper wire on it. Cut the cord on the TV. Ballast. Just give me 1 sec, I'm gonna fix that so there's nothing sliding. Alright, like dog asphalt. Big bucks, one little swift pole. So here's our haul. Got one brass headboard, a few wires, some aluminum, a bag of tent poles, an old shelf unit. So, not looking at too much money, but it was fun. Cool. See this brass. Yeah, looks like yellow to me, but I can't, and this might be too bright to tell.
No, it's definitely
solid
yellow.
brass, yeah. So it might get you dirty because of those screws, but what, like these are solid brass screws, brass bolt, nut.
Yeah, like that's not.
No, but I think the rest of it is.
Yeah, that would have.
That would be silver if it wasn't.
Exactly.
Cool.
Yeah, nice little